Question number 4. Arrange the following in ascending order. Okay. Now, for that we have to compare. Correct. So, what are the steps? Now, all these are unlike fractions. So, first is we have to find out the LCM of the denominators. So, let us take all the denominators 3, okay, 7, 21 and 14. So, we will divide this 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 7 will remain as it is. Then 3 sevens are 21 and 7 3. This 14 will remain as it is. Then, now see all these numbers are divided by 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Therefore, LCM of 3, 7, 21 and 14 is equal to, what we have to do? Multiply 3 into 7 into 2. All this we have to multiply numbers. So 7 threes are 21 and 21 twos are 42. Okay? Then take this 2 upon 3. To get LCM as 42, this number we have to multiply with, how many threes are 42? 14 threes are. So this also multiply by 14. Okay, 14 twos are 28 and 14 threes are 42. Correct? Next, 4 upon 7. 4 upon 7. If you will multiply it by 6, we will get here 42 and here 24. Correct? Now, 8 upon 21. So, 8 upon 21. Now, this we have to multiply by 2. So that, correct? Next is 5 upon 14. So, multiply with 3. Now, compare all of this. So, here, who is smallest? This. Correct? Now, ascending order we have to. So, the smallest we will have to write first. Who is smallest? 15 upon 42. That means this fraction 5 upon 14. Correct? After that we will come 16 upon 42. That is which fraction? 8 upon 21. Then 24 upon 42 means which fraction? 4 upon 7. And then this 2 upon 3. This is the largest fraction. So this is the ascending order. This is smallest, big, little big, bigger and biggest in this way. So here also same thing we have to do. Let us take the LCM of 4, 12, 8 and 24. Okay. So divide it by prime numbers. 2 twos are 4, 2 sixes are 12, 2 fours are 8 and 2 twelves are. Again divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 sixes are 12. Correct? Now divided by 3. 1, 3 ones are 3, 2 as it is, 2, 3, 3 twos are 6. Now divided by 2. 1, 1, 2 ones are 2, 2. Okay? So LCM of 4, 12, 8 and 24 is equal to, multiply this, 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. That is, see here, 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12, 12 twos are 24. So LCM is 24. Okay? Now, 3 upon 4. To get 24, we have to multiply it by 6. 6 fours are 22. LCM, denominator should be 24. Now 6 threes are 18. Okay? Next, 7 upon 12. To get answer 24, multiply by 2. So here 14 upon 24. Next, 7 upon 8. as it is. Because here see, LCM is only there at the denominator. Now arrange them in ascending order. Now look at this. Who is the smallest one? This. So 13 upon 24 is the smallest. Ascending means from smaller to biggest, bigger we have to arrange. After 13, which it will come? See, 14 upon 24 means which fraction? This 7 upon 12. Okay. Then this fraction 18 upon 24, that is 3 upon 4. And the largest is this, that is 7 upon 8. Okay. This is the ascending order. Followed how to do? Now next, here. So take LCM of 8, all the denominators. Okay. We are to divide it by prime numbers. Now 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24, and 2 24s are. Again divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 12s are 24. Again we can divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Now divide it by 2. 1, 2 1s are 2, 3, and 2 3s are 6. Again we can divide it by 3. 1 1, 3 1 2, 3. Followed? Therefore, LCM of 8, 16, 24 and 48. How much it will be? See, 2 into 2 multiply. Into 2, into 2, into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So LCM is 48. Now next step is we have to multiply this with the suitable number so that LCM 48 will come at the denominator. So 3. 8 into how much is equal to 48? 8 6 are. That is 16 is 18, 40. Okay. Next 7 upon 16. So 16 3s are here also. Next 5 and 24. So 5, 24 2s are 48. So 5 2s are. And 9 upon 42 as it is. Now look at all they are like fraction became. Now compare. Who is smallest one? 9 upon 48. So ascending order means smallest we have to write first. So 9 upon 48 is the smallest. After 9, who is this? 10. 10 upon 48. That means which fraction? 5 upon 2. So 5 upon 2 will come. After that, 18 upon 48 will come. Means which fraction? 3 upon 8. Okay. And then this 7 upon 16. Follow? In this way, we have to arrange the ascending order. So this ascending order is there, no? So here you can show these signs also. Means 8 upon 20 is greater than 5 upon 40, 4 upon is greater and this is greater than this, like this. Everywhere we can show these signs. Okay. As it is the ascending order. Okay. See students, question number 5 and 6 you will have to solve. Okay. Now 7th one. Majid read 30 pages of a book containing 180 pages. Okay. See Majid. Total how many pages of books are there? 180. Out of that he read 30 pages. Whereas Mala read 1/5 of the same book. Who read more? So see here. Now both are divisible by 30. Both 30 and 180. So what is the answer? 31 are 30 and 36 are 180. And Mala read 1/5. 1/5 5. Okay. So who look at the now 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 5. Compare both. Numerators are same, but denominators are different. So the denominator which is smallest, that is the biggest. This means 1 upon 5 is greater. Correct? So who read more? The answer is Mala read more. Followed, what did I do? Out of 180, 30 pages he read. So that fraction I have written. And 30 and 180, they both are divisible by 30. Take its both numbers, we have to take HCF. So HCF is 30. So divide it. So answer is 1 upon 6. Now compare both these fractions. 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 5. Who is greater? 1 upon 5. That means Mala read more. Okay. Now next, 8th one. In a hurdle race among Rita, Sita and Geeta, Rita cleared 4 hurdles. Sita 1 upon 2 of all hurdles, whereas Geeta could clear only 2 upon 3. Now see here, Rita. Total how many hurdles are there? If there are total 12 hurdles, out of that how many hurdles she cleared? Rita 4. That means its HCF is 4, so 1 upon 3 she cleared. Then Sita 1 upon 2. Okay. And Geeta. Who is there? Where is Geeta? Geeta cleared 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3. Okay. Of total hurdles. Now see here. The fractions are 1 upon 3. Then this is 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. Correct? First what we will do? See here. 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. In this who is greater? 2 upon 3 is greater. Correct? And 1 upon 3 is smaller. Now, in 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 2, what we have to compare? We have to compare 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. Because here see, denominators are same. So, who is greater? 2 upon 3 is greater. Whose numerator is greater? That is greatest one. So, that is Geeta cleared maximum than Rita. Now, we will compare Geeta's and Sita's. Okay, 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 2 we will compare. So, first comparison of these two over. Now, comparison of Geeta and Sita we will do. So, 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. What is the LCM? We have to take the LCM. It is 6. LCM of 3 and 2 is equal to 6. So 2, 3 into 2, 2 into 2, that is 4 upon 6. And here 1 into 3 and 2 into 3. So 6 and this 3. Now compare. Who is greater? 4 is greater than 3. Correct? That means which? 2 upon 3 is greater. Correct? 2 upon 3 is greater than 1 upon 2. So, 4 upon 4 is greater than 3. That is, I will write here 1 upon 3. That means, now we compare 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 2, Geeta and Sita, correct? So here LCM of 3 and 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, 2, 3 we have to multiply by 2 to get 6. And how we will show it here? 1/3, then 1/2, and then 2/3. Correct? So see, it is less small? 1/3, that is who has cleared? Rita. So Rita cleared minimum hurdles, and who has cleared more? 2/3. Who is 2/3? Geeta. Geeta cleared maximum hurdles. What did we do? Only we did comparison. Rita to Geeta we compared. In that Rita is this is smaller, or 1/3 is smaller than 2/3. Means she cleared minimum than Geeta. Then we compared Geeta and Sita. In that also Geeta is only greatest. So see here, and these all. So here, if Rita and Sita if you will compare, no, then also see whose Sita's it will be greater. That means Rita smallest, then Sita, and then Geeta. Okay. So who has cleared minimum? Rita, and maximum the hurdles cleared by Geeta. Question number 9. From a water bottle of 1 liter, Ram consumed 250 ml. Whereas Sheila consumed 1/5 of a liter. Have they consumed same amount of water? If not, then who consumed more water than other, and by how much? See here. Now, Ram consumed 250 ml. 1 liter is equal to how many milliliter? 1000 milliliter. So Ram consumed out of 1000, he consumed 250 ml of water. Correct? So divide it by, if you will take the HCF of both the numbers, it is 250. So divided by 250. 250 1 are 250 and 254 are 1000. Okay. Then so Ram consumed total 1/4 and Sheila consumed 1/5. Now compare 1/5, 4 and 1/5. Who is greater? Now numerators are equal. So who is greater? Denominator which is smallest, that is the greatest. That is 1/4 is greatest. So who consumed more? Ram consumed, because here Ram consumed more. Now by how much he consumed more? So for that what we have to find out here? Sheila consumed 1/5 of 1000 ml. That means 1000 ml means 1 liter. Of 1 liter, 1000 ml she consumed 1/5. Means how many ml, how many milliliter she consumed. That we have to find out. So that 1/5 of means 1000 into. So 1 into 1000 is 1000 divided by 5. So 5 2s are, that is 200 ml. Correct? So here how to write? See here 200 and Ram consumed 250. So Ram, what is the question? Have they consumed same amount of water? So answer will no. Then who consumed more? Ram consumed more water By how much he consumed more? So what we have to do? 250 ml minus 200. Therefore, 250 minus 200. So how many ml he consumed more? 50 ml. More water he consumed. So Ram consumed, you can write here 50 ml more water than Sheena. Okay, in this way.